Welcome to our next series of Sanskrit lessons, online Sanskrit lessons. In this series, you are going to see the formation of sentences categorically, and you will be given enough practice to frame sentences and also to converse in Sanskrit. In this series, the number of videos may exceed 20 or 25. I request all the learners to practice and also to forward these videos to your friends. We appeal to subscribe the channel, our YouTube channel, Kalidasa Kendram. Welcome to our new series of lesson. Uttama Purushaha, first person. In this, we are going to see Ekavachanam singular, Dvivachanam dual, Bahuvachanam plural separately. We are going to start with Ekavachanam singular. Before starting, I request the learners to revise the verbs in singular, dual and plural. That is Ekavachanam, Dvivachanam and Bahuvachanam. Padhatuhu Uttama Purushaha. Pathami, Pathavaha, Pathamaha. Khadhatuhu, Khadami, Khadavaha, Khadamaha. Lik dhatuhu, Likhami, Likhavaha, Likhamaha. Dhav dhatuhu, Dhavami, Dhavavaha, Dhavamaha. Pat dhatuhu, Patami, Patavaha, Patamaha. Nam dhatuhu, Namami, Namavaha, Namamaha. Bhram dhatuhu, Bhramami, Bhramavaha, Bhramamaha. Drish dhatuhu, Pashyami, Pashyavaha, Pashyamaha. Khel dhatuhu, Khelami, Khelavaha, Khelamaha. Let us move on to the sentences. In this series, you are going to see pronoun, noun and the verb. Aham Govindarajah. Aham Shikshakah. Aham Pathayami. Aham Govindarajah. I am Govindaraj. Aham Shikshakah. I am a teacher. Aham Pathayami. I teach. Aham Vinodah. I am Vinod. Aham Chhatraha. I am a student. Aham Likhami. I write. Aham Abdul Kalamaha. I am Abdul Kalam. Aham Rashtrapatihi. I am the president. Aham Vadami. I speak. Next slide. Aham Vajpayi. I am Vajpayee. Aham Pradhana Mantrihi. I am the Prime Minister. Aham Palayami. I rule. Aham Radhika. I am Radhika or my name is Radhika. Aham Shikshika. I am a teacher. Aham Pathayami. I teach. Aham Kamala. I am Kamala. Aham Chhatra. I am a student. Aham Pashyami. I see. Let us go to the next slide. Aham Leela. I am Leela. Aham Balika. I am a girl. Aham Kridami. I play. Aham Usha. I am Usha. Aham Dhavika. I am an athlete. Aham Dhavami. I run. Aham Phalam. I am a fruit. Aham Kadali Phalam. I am a banana fruit. Aham Madhuram Asmi. I am sweet. Let us move on to next slide. Aham Pushpam. I am a flower. Aham Kamalam. I am lotus. Aham Vikasami. I bloom. Aham Jalam. I am water. Aham Ganga Jalam. I am water of the Ganges. Aham pravahami, I flow. I request all the learners to go through the previous slides once again before going to the further slide. Now practice. You can frame sentences, lot of sentences like this. We have given you the options. You can fix one by one and you can frame the sentences. I just give you example. You can frame the sentences like this. It is oral as well as writing practice. Aham Arjunaha asmi. Aham Panditaha asmi. Aham Veeraha asmi. Aham Chhatraha asmi. Aham Sachivaha asmi. Aham Sadasyaha asmi. Aham Nayakaha asmi. This aham and asmi is common for all three genders. So the first line is example for masculine words. Second line examples for feminine words. And the last line example for neuter gender words. I have done the masculine words. Now we will do feminine words. Aham Bala asmi. Aham Mala asmi. Aham Shila asmi. Aham Geeta asmi. Aham Rama asmi. Aham Chhatra asmi. Aham Mata asmi. Aham Durabhasha asmi. Now we move on to last line. Aham Kamalam asmi. Aham Griham asmi. Aham Yanam asmi. Aham Mandiram asmi. Aham Pustakam asmi. Aham Bhavanam asmi. Aham Netram asmi. I appeal to all the learners to go through this once again and practice orally as well as in writing. Now we move on to next slide. You have to pick the words and frame sentences. You can approximately make 20 sentences with this. Just I do few sentences. Following that you will do. Aham satyam uchchaihi vadami. Aham asatyam na vadami. Aham samskritam tatra vadami. Aham shlokam atra vadami. Aham mantram uchchaihi vadami. Aham samskritam shighram vadami. So combination of these words you can frame 20 sentences. Try yourself. Let us move on to next slide. Aham dash patami. There are options here. You can frame the sentences. Aham patram patami. Aham Ramayanam patami. Aham Geetam patami. Aham Shlokam patami. Aham Puranam patami. Aham Mantram patami. Aham Vedam patami. Aham Pustakam patami. Aham Kavitam patami. Aham Lekham patami. Aham Shakuntalam patami. Aham Stotram patami. Aham Atra patami. Aham Tatra patami. Aham Kutra patami. You can frame like this also. Aham Patram Atra patami. Aham Ramayanam Tatra patami. Aham Geetam Atra patami. Like this you can frame the sentences with Atra, Tatra, Kutra. Then we move on to next slide. With this the Ekavachanam is completed. I request all the learners to go through the previous slides and try to make more sentences. Let's move on to Dvivachanam. Next slide. Uttama Purushaha, first person. Dvivachanam, dual. Previously we have seen Ekavachanam. Now we are going to learn Dvivachanam. Let us start with masculine gender. Pullinga Shabdaha. Avam Sahodarau. We both are brothers. R is understood here. We both are brothers. Avam dhavaavaha. We both run. Avam, we both. Dhavaavaha, run. Avam chhatrau. We both are students. R is understood. Avam pathavaha. We both read. Avam simhau. We both are lions. Avam garjavaha. We both roar. We move on to next slide. Avam lalane. In this slide, you are going to practice feminine gender words. Avam lalane. We both are women. Avam gachavaha. We both go. Avam male. We both are garlands. Avam prakashavaha. We both shine. Avam balike. We both are girls. Avam chalavaha. We both move. Now we move on to the next slide. In this, you are going to practice neuter gender. Napumsakalinga shabdaha. Avam mitre. We both are friends. Avam vadavaha. We both talk. Avam ratne. We both are gems. Avam rajavaha. We both shine. Avam phale. We both are fruits. Avam patavaha. We both fall. Now we move on to next slide. Avam dash swaha. Means avam we both. Swaha means are. We both are dash. Okay. We both are dash. Avam narayanau swaha. Avam arjunau swaha. Avam panditau swaha. Avam veerau swaha. Avam chhatrau swaha. Avam sachivau swaha. Avam sadasyau swaha. Avam nayakau swaha. This is Pullinga. Now we practice Strilinga Shabdaha. Avam bale swaha. Avam male swaha. Avam shile swaha. Avam gite swaha. Avam ambe swaha. Avam rame swaha. Avam chhatre swaha. Avam durabhashe swaha. Avam pathashale swaha. Now we move on to last line. It is Napumsakalinga Shabdaha. Avam kamale swaha. Avam grihe swaha. Avam yane swaha. Avam mandire swaha. Avam pustake swaha. Avam bhavane swaha. Avam netre swaha. Avam sharire swaha. Avam patre swaha. Avam patre swaha. So avam and swaha is common for all three genders. You also practice orally and also in written. Now we move on to next slide. Avam vadavaha. See, there are 4 columns in this. You have to pick one by one all the words and frame the sentence. Avam satyam uchaihi vadavaha. Avam asatyam na vadavaha. Avam samskritam tatra vadavaha. Avam shlokam atra vadavaha. Avam mantram uchaihi vadavaha. You can frame 20 sentences in this table also. Kindly try your best and practice it. Dhanyavadaha. We will move on to the next slide. Next practice. Avam dash pathavaha. You can use all these words one by one in the blank. Avam patram pathavaha. Avam ramayanam pathavaha. Avam geetam pathavaha. Avam geetam pathavaha. Avam shlokam pathavaha. Avam puranam pathavaha. Avam mantram pathavaha. Avam vedam pathavaha. Avam pustakam pathavaha. आवां कवितां पठावः आवां लेखं पठावः आवां शाकुन्तलं पठावः आवां स्तोत्रं पठावः आवाम् अत्र पठावः आवां तत्र पठावः आवां कुत्र पठावः. So these are the some of the sentences. You can also practice this. So with this dvivachanam is over. Now we move on to bahuvachanam. Uttama purushaha first person, bahuvachanam plural. Now practice of masculine gender words. Vayam sainikaha smaha. We all are soldiers, or we are soldiers. Both are right. Vayam rakshamaha. We protect. Vayam krishakaha smaha. We are farmers. Vayam krishamaha. We all plow. Vayam shikshakaha smaha. We are teachers. Vayam pathayamaha. We teach. Let us move on to next slide. Vayam kanyaha smaha. We are going to practice feminine gender words in this slide. Vayam kanyaha smaha. We are girls. Vayam, we, smaha, or, are, kanyaha, girls. We are girls. Vayam khelamaha. We all play. Vayam prajaha smaha. We are citizens. Vayam jivamaha. We all live. Vayam tulaha smaha. We are weighing machine. Vayam tolayamaha. We weigh. Now we move on to next slide. Vayam netrani smaha. We are eyes. Vayam pashyamaha. We see. Vayam mitrani smaha. We are friends. Vayam kridamaha. We play. Vayam ratnani smaha. We are gems. Vayam jvalamaha. We shine. Now we move on to exercise. Now frame sentences with the words given below. Vayam blank smaha. Vayam dash smaha. You are supposed to use all these words given below in the blank. The words in the first line are masculine words. The second line, words in the second line are feminine words. Words in last line are neuter gender words. Now we start. Vayam nayakaha smaha. Vayam shikshakaha smaha. Vayam veeraha smaha. Vayam pachakaha smaha. Vayam balakaha smaha. Vayam sevakaha smaha. Vayam chhatraha smaha. Now feminine gender. Vayam balaha smaha. Vayam malaha smaha. Vayam shilaha smaha. Vayam geetaha smaha. Vayam ambaha smaha. Vayam ramaha smaha. Vayam chhatraha smaha. Vayam lataha smaha. Vayam balaha smaha. Vayam kamalani smaha. Vayam gruhani smaha. Vayam yanani smaha. Vayam pustakani smaha. Vayam netrani smaha. Vayam patrani smaha. Vayam patrani smaha. Next. Frame sentences. That is, fill in the blanks with the words given below. Vayam dash akarnayamaha. We listen to. Vayam sangeetam akarnayamaha. Vayam kavitam akarnayamaha. Vayam ramayanam akarnayamaha. Vayam samskritam akarnayamaha. Vayam shlokam akarnayamaha. Vayam mantram akarnayamaha. Vayam prarthanam akarnayamaha. Vayam Ramayanam sada akarnayamaha. Vayam tatra Ramayanam akarnayamaha. Vayam atra kavitam akarnayamaha. So you can mix sada, tatra, atra with these words and frame sentences. Next, we move on to next slide. Again, frame sentences. Vayam dash likhamah. Vayam patram likhamah. Vayam Ramayanam likhamah. Vayam Geetam likhamah. Vayam Shlokam likhamah. Vayam Puranam likhamah. Vayam Pustakam likhamah. Vayam Kavitam likhamah. Vayam Lekham likhamah. Vayam Shakuntalam likhamah. Vayam Stotram likhamah. Vayam Atra Stotram likhamah. Vayam Tatra Shlokam likhamah. Vayam Kutra Shlokam likhamah. I request all the learners to go through the slides once again and learn Uttama Purusha Ekavachanam, Uttama Purusha Dvivachanam, Uttama Purusha Bahuvachanam fully and thoroughly. We appeal to all the viewers to subscribe our YouTube channel Kalidasa Kendram without fail. Dhanyavadaha.